Hello, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Kumakain na po yung husband ko and today is Monday. Wala pong trabaho yung hubby ko, guys, and ako day off ko ng Monday. Ito po ako ngayon sa kusina. Nagluluto na ako, guys, ng pagkain namin. Dahil nga magbablog kami today ni hubby at malayo po ang pupuntahan namin. Mga 3 hours po ang biyahe dahil pupunta kami ng nature. Ang sabi nila, magandang attraction daw doon at the best. So, malayo nga talaga. Kaya kailangan may pagkain kami at i-check natin kung ano ang niluluto ko, guys. Chicken, karne, hiniwa-hiwa na po yan. May kamote, pang-snack mamaya. So, ito po ang aking niluluto today. Yan po ang hinanda ko para kung gutumin kami mamaya ni hubby. Meron na kaming pagkain, diba? At gusto natin makasave day, magluto po tayo. Kakain na lang po kami ni hubby, tapos ngayon diretso na kami. At sobrang grateful ako dahil holiday pala ng Monday dito, halos walang trabaho ang mga tao. Ito ang naisipan namin ni hubby, mag-vlog kami sa Harren Forest ang tawag doon, guys. Magandang attraction daw doon. Kaya super excited ako na mag-hike ulit kami at doon sa malayo-layo at hindi maingay na lugar. Maganda doon mag-hike para iwas stress. Okay, guys, kain muna kami. Hello, I am back and this is me, Pinay Girl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na muna yung outfit check natin today. And as you can see, guys, nandito na po ako sa sasakyan. Kasi hinintay ko na lang yung husband ko na lumabas ng bahay. And I think we're almost ready to go, everybody. And let's continue the vlog on the Harren Forest. So, see you there, Kapinay Girl.
We got gasolina. Then we got all our stuff packed in the car for a long drive to the other side of Washington. 3.5 hour drive.
3.5 hours, everyone. Long
Yep,
drive.
and that's just to get there to the rainforest. Washington State has some of the beautiful places there.
Magdawi na po kami, guys. So, yeah. 1 hour and 30 minutes more. Isang oras at kalahati na po ang nabiyahe namin. At ito na naman kami huminto. Kasi nga, sini-check ni hubby kung tama ba ang direction namin. Kasi nawalan po kami ng internet connection. Kasi nga, andito na kami sa somewhere middle of nowhere. Ito muna kami at medyo malayo-layo nga talaga ang biyahe namin. Sa lahat ng pinuntahan namin, ito at ang pinakamalayo. Kasi lastly ay 2 hours, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Pero ngayon ay yes, malayo at kailangan namin makaabot. At time check is already 2 p.m. na dito. Siguro mga 4 p.m. kami makarating, no? Ang layo. Nag-start kami ng 11. So, hindi pa kami nakarating, guys.
Over for a break because we've been in the car for a long time. For hours now, and we're in the middle of nowhere.
Nandito kami sa gas station para bibili ng snack namin kasi medyo nagugutom na ako. Kaya ito muna kami sa loob, bibili ng snack.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Yung snack na nabili ko sa gas station at iba din kay hubby. At meron din akong souvenir. So, yes. Gusto ko na may souvenir ako kung saan kami galing. So cute. Monkey. So, may nakita po kaming beach dito. Hindi pa kami nakarating sa Harren Forest. Pero may nadatnan po kaming beach. Kaya uminto kami ni hubby ulit. Pagkatapos naman sa gas station, medyo malamig. Ang ganda dito at napaka-presko.
Cold and windy. It's all the air coming off the beach.
Yun ang beach, guys. So, malayo pa. 5 minutes walk.
Yeah, trail.
Trail. Kailangan pang bumaba para makapunta malapit sa beach.
Is it like the Philippines, honey?
This is the beach.
Yes, it's a beach.
It's cold.
Yes, Washington is very cold. I told you, cold
Yeah.
today.
It's nice. One hour away na lang po kami. Nakarating na kami sa Harren Forest. Kaya adventure muna kami kung ano ang makikita namin dito. Honey, you ready?
Yep.
We still
Let's
have
see.
1 more hour.
Yep.
Magdawi na po kami, guys. So, yeah. Papalapit na po kami. 10 minutes away na lang. May nakikita na kami. Welcome to Olympic National Park. Here we go.
Campgrounds and parking that way.
Okay.
So let's go to visitor center first.
Visitor center.
Visitor center.
They're here, everybody.
Yep. They are busy. You see everybody parking along the road.
Oh, yes. Too many cars.
Yep.
Ayan.
Just keep right.
Hi! So wakas, after 3 hours, nakarating na din kami dito at naghahanap kami saan kami magpa-parking, guys. So, dito.
Visitor center here.
Visitor Center Picnic Area. Meron din palang picnic area dito. So, ito yung parking area sa Harren Forest.
Park right here and we'll go walk around.
Yeah.
See? Beware of bears, elk do not like you. Hiking trails. That's 0.8, 1 to 1.2, 18 miles, 222.
Sea and World, Harren Forest. Finally, we're here.
What?
Finally, we're here.
I know. 3 hour drive.
3 hours drive. Yeah. Okay, let's go walk around, honey.
That's the black bear. That's the bear you'll find. That'll eat you. And the cats,
Oh yeah,
like a bobcat. Yeah, wild cat. They're big though.
You ready to go?
You ready to go hiking?
Yeah.
Visitor center?
Yeah. So, nandito na kami sa loob ng National Visitor Center, guys. Kung anong meron dito. Kasi nga, yung mga tao, diretso sila dito sa National Visitor Center. So, ito ang makikita mo agad bago mag-hike.
Ready?
Yes.
What kind of animal is that? Elk. Maybe elk. Maybe not a deer. The deer, the horns are different.
Okay.
Okay, let's go for the adventure.
Let's go. Adventure time.
The map, you are here
Okay.
at the beginning of the trails.
Oh, yeah.
We got.
You got that.
Yep, we got that.
Yeah, labas muna kami ng National Visitor Center. Then, magka-hike. Hello, Kapinay Girl! Finally, nandito na po kami sa Harren Forest National Olympic Park at kakarating lang po namin. Time check is already 4 PM na po. 3 hours po ang biyahe bago makarating dito. At kanina pumunta kami sa National Visitor Center. Yun pala ang unang pupuntahan mo, no? At titingin ka doon kung anong meron nga. At may mga mapa doon kung saan ka magsisimula mag-hike. At dito kami sa parking area ni Habi. Kaya ready na po kami mag-hike. So medyo maulan at malamig nga kasi yung weather ay parang nag-iba ulit. Kanina ay uminit. Ngayon naman ay umulan. So you're ready?
Yeah, let's go.
For hike. How many miles for hiking?
Depends where you want to go. There's sightseeing at half a mile. There's sightseeing at a mile and a half, and there's sightseeing at 2 miles.
Oh, that's
2 miles, they have a waterfall.
2 miles? That's not bad.
So we'll see how far we get today
Okay.
on our adventure
So,
before it gets
my
too dark.
husband is ready. With the
See, I
backpack.
carry all the survival stuff.
Everything is in this bag.
We got extra water, extra food.
Oh yeah.
We got,
Water is very important, right?
yes, even though we're in the rainforest.
Yeah.
But here we
Okay.
go. You got your
Meron
jacket?
akong extra jacket kung lalamigin ako. So, I'm sure meron ako kasi last time wala akong dala at super lamig. And ngayon, medyo late na nga dahil 3 hours, 4 to 5 p.m. na. So, mga 2 hours kami at saka bago kami babalik. Mag-adventure muna kami dito sa National Olympic Park, Huron Forest. Isa ito sa pinakamagandang attraction din dito sa Washington, guys. Kaya, yes,
Let's
see you
go.
there and let's go!
Honey, slow down. You're going so fast. Are you excited?
Yes.
Camino solo bajo el sol, sin cadenas, sin control. Cada día es mi canción.
6 p.m. na po dito at saka umuulan. So, hindi maliwanag ang buong kapaligiran, no? Kaya, patuloy pa rin tayo sa pagbablog kahit maulan.
Well, the tree fell down, hon?
Yeah.
It didn't hit you?
2 hours po ang aming pag-hike ng aking husband para mas lalong humiit ang tiyan.
Oh.
One way. Tuloy pa rin ang aming paglalakad ni Abby kasi ginusto namin ito na mag-hike kami together. More on nature dito at
Aside sa pag-hike namin ni Habi, ang pinunta talaga namin ang makita ang Hall of Moses. Yun nakalagay kanina na sign, dito ang daan para makita natin ang kagandahan ng Moses. Dahil nga ito ang pinaka-famous nature dito sa Washington na sinasabi nila. Kasi yung Moses ay nag-grow na lang daw sa nature. Kaya lahat ng tao dito talaga hihinto para makapag-picture at makapag-video na din. Kaya dito talaga kami dumiretso. Dito lang ito matatagpuan sa Huron Forest, the Hall of Moses. So ito siya.
Camino solo bajo el sol, sin cadenas, sin control. Cada día es mi canción. Soy mi fuerza.
pabalik na kami. Honey,
Yes.
you're still okay?
Yep.
Sure? Is it worth it?
What?
Is it worth it here?
Yep.
3 hours drive?
Yep, it's fun.
Like,
There's many things to do. Such little time.
yeah. For me, it's fun. Adventure in the nature.
Hey, that's dinner for a whole month right there.
That's Simon with the elk.
Why do you know that?
Because in the third grade, one of the people that worked in the library, he's deaf, and so he spoke sign language and called us elk.
I mean, that's not that surprising. Beautiful job. Thanks for sharing. This is news. The elk is so chill. Yeah. So they're so used to people here, yeah. Hi, buddy.
Inikot na namin ang buong Huron Forest para makita namin kung ano pa talagang mas makikita namin. Kanina nakakita kami ng elk. So yun daw. Kaya, yeah, ang saya. Super fun dito. Kaya lakad ulit, lakad. More on nature po dito. Yung waterfalls ay iba naman yun. Kasi dito ay nature lang ang makikita mo. Pwede naman pupunta kami ng waterfalls. Kaso nga lang, nasa kabila po yun. Hindi namin alam kung makapunta pa kami ng waterfalls. Kasi nga, madilim na at it's already 7 p.m. na. Uuwi pa kami ni Habi mga 3 hours. So mga around 10 p.m. na po kami makauwi. Kasi dito pa kami nag-iikot at naglilibot sa nature. This is our rest day na kapag wala kaming work ni Habi, ito ang ginagawa namin, nag-hike together, right?
Right. Our hobby of hiking together.
Yes.
It's what we do on our days off. Go to new places in Washington.
Yeah. Because Washington is really, really good place.
Well, it's a green place. That's why they call it Was-a-Ton.
Okay guys, papunta na kami sa sasakyan at hindi namin maikot ang buong Huron Forest kasi gabi na. Para makauwi na din kami ni Habi, kakain pa kami. But maganda dito. As in, super. We're both hungry. Let's go.
Waited longer than that. Oh, no. We're at the end right here. We're going way. Go that way and
Oh
come back
yeah,
around.
yeah. I remember na.
Yep.
Faster, honey. Faster.
After you got to do your introduction.
Hurry up, honey. Hurry up.
Look, I can hold up the tree.
Yeah.
Camino solo bajo el sol, sin cadenas, sin
Honey.
control.
Eating in the car because it's raining outside in the rainforest.
Yeah. Okay. Yung niluto kong ulam kanina, ito na, kinakain na namin kasi nagugutom na kami. Tapos namin kumain, aalis na rin kami. Kasi wala na kaming oras pupunta sa other trail. We have no time to go to other trail like waterfalls.
River,
Yeah.
because it's starting to get dark at 6:30
Yeah.
and it's starting to get dark. We're hungry. We don't have the supplies to be out there in the dark.
Yeah.
But a venture for next time. But there is rivers we can stop by and see the river outside the park on our way out.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe next time, waterfalls ulit ang pupuntahan natin. Babiyahe pa po kami ng 3 oras ni Habi, kaya kumain muna kami. mas maganda talaga kapag may dala ng pagkain, no? Dahil diretso ang kain dito sa sasakyan at hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng restaurant or kahit ano, mas makatipid pa. Ito ang masasabi ko sa mga gustong mag-hike. Kailangan may pagkain kayong dala. Importante may tubig. Nga nasa somewhere middle of nowhere tayo, guys. So make sure handa tayo sa lahat. Ready? Right, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now, I think that's all for today, everybody, and see you next time in our video. Hanggang dun lang muna ang aming adventure ni Habi dahil nga madilim na at wala na kaming oras pupunta pa sa waterfalls.
Famous Hawaiian Forest in western Washington, as far as you can go to western Washington. Yeah, this is Olympic National Park. One place that has rainforest, walking trails, has everything in nature
Okay.
here in the northwest of America. Great place. You can see all the people in the video that we should hiking. See all the cars here. A very popular place for people to come hike, see nature, and see what living and being in Washington State is all about.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, that's all for today and thank you for watching us. See you next time in our video and thank you guys.